Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't uploaded any video. I know guys, I know, and I'm sorry about that. Today I'm going to upload a cleaning video, and I hope guys will enjoy it. And I'll show how guys, if you have a kitchen that it's not yet finished, with that I mean it doesn't have enough storage, how you can store your things, and how you can keep your kitchen clean even without the storage, and everything organized. I hope guys you are going to enjoy my channel, and you're going to like, you're going to subscribe, you're going to share with your friends. And yes guys, I'm so grateful for the 140 subscribers. Actually I started with only 8 subscribers last month, only 8 subscribers, but this month I have I think 100 and something new subscribers. Within 2 weeks I have 100 and something subscribers. I'm so grateful, and guys I'm grateful, and thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, and yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy this cleaning video, the kitchen cleaning. And yep, and actually I'm going to connect two videos, how I store my things in the fridge, and not really like a fridge tour. No, I'm just showing you guys how you store your hohos, carrots, danias, and they won't spoil, they will be fresh. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and yes, welcome. This is what I used for washing my utensils. And this one, the Pride, it's Pride. I love this thing. If you don't have this one, kindly get one of these. I use it to clean my cooker and my sinks, the hand washing sinks and the utensil sinks. It's a very good cleaning cream. Safe. I bought it at Carrefour. And there's something I needed to tell you guys. It's a kitchen tip. When washing your thermos, don't dip it inside the water. Like right now I've washed mine, so I'm going to rinse it immediately. I won't put it in the water to avoid water getting inside the thermos. I hope it helps. Even for the knives, you see, when I was putting my utensil inside the water, I didn't put my knives. Make sure you put them aside because of kukatwa when washing your utensils. You wash it one by one and you rinse it one by one. Anyone with an idea how I can remove these stains on my sufurias, the non-stick sufurias, kindly comment below and help me. I will so much appreciate. guys, where I wanted to show you, I'm not doing fridge organization. I just wanted to show you how I store my carrots and my malenge for my son, hoho, so that they won't spoil. Dania, actually my danias are over. Yeah, so I usually store them here. So for the hoho, I wrap it with the cling that one. Those are the hohos. For the carrots, I use these papers. Musiniseme. For this one, malenge, I also use the cling film. For dania, I wrap them. You see the way they look? I wrap them with the cling film at the edges, and actually these danias, I have them for like 1.5 weeks, and they're still fresh. They're almost done. I wrap them like this, so mi ukata huku tu mwisho when I want to use them. Yep. Then I store them here on my fridge. And yep, there. So guys, I'm done cleaning. That's my final look. You can see my house is not yet finished. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put a video on my kitchen tour, and you'll see what I'm trying to tell you guys. And yep. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and kindly don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and don't comment negatively, kindly. Thank you guys for watching.